everybody! Today we are going to make an apple cake, but it is not a simple apple cake, it's a rose apple cake. I made this one for the first time for my mother-in-law birthday. Her name is Rose, so this is a good way to celebrate her. Today for my cake I will use the Noor oil, that is a trans fat free, and we will use 60 milliliter. I like to cook with Noor because it's healthier, tastier and makes my food really good. So we can start to pour the oil together with the yogurt. This is just full fat yogurt, white one. And then we add 2 eggs, whole egg, 1 and 2. We whisk these 3 ingredients together. We have here flour. I suggest you to go slowly with flour, just not to avoid lumps. Okay, when the flour is all well incorporated, we can add the sugar. The first time that I made this cake, like I told you before, was for this birthday. I was a bit nervous. The cake is simple, really simple. It's just apple cake, but it's the design that it's amazing. You will see. So after the sugar, don't forget the baking powder and a pinch of salt. And if you like, we can also add cinnamon. First part is done. The dough is ready. Okay. So we can start to cut our apple. We can just remove the part inside. And then we need to cut in very thin slices, so I need this stuff, is a mandolina. So just make sure to cut very thin slices. Okay. When you have enough slices, we can start to make our rose. It depends also from the size of your baking tin. In my case, I have this one, and also it depends from the size of your pasta cutter. Let's start to make it. We need something to put under and put your ring on the top. And then you take all your slice and you start to cover all around your ring. This is our flour ready. The last part, you can take all the mixture, pour it in the baking tin. Last part, we have to put our flour on the top, like this, in the middle, in this case, to fix it a bit. That's it. And at the end you can add some of these candies for decoration. That's it, and our cake is ready to go in the oven. Cake is ready, and if you have a mother-in-law called Rosa, this is the good cake for her.